Hi, welcome to Dux-Soup. In this tutorial, we're going to explain the Dux Dash. You can access the Dux Dash via the bottom right corner of Dux-Soup drop-down menu. This opens a new tab in your browser, and from here you have 7 options available via the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Selecting your profile displays your account credentials. Funnel Flow is where you monitor and control all your LinkedIn prospecting. It gives you instant insight into the performance and effectiveness of your lead generation activity. You can see what stage each prospect is at. For instance, if they have accepted your connection invitation or responded to your follow-up message. You can copy and paste your list of prospects to Excel or a Google Sheet for external use. And you can drill down into each prospect to view their LinkedIn profile and see the conversation you're having with that prospect. You also have the option to reflow, qualify in or qualify out your prospects. In queued activity, you can review and, if required, delete pending actions currently waiting in the queue, such as follow-up messages. You can also see the contents of what is queued by clicking on the arrow on the right-hand side. Activity log is where you can check action time, profile, action, and if it was successful or not. Crm Connections shows the CRM linked with your Dux-Soup account. In this instance, the CRM is Pipedrive. For further details on the Dux-Soup Pipedrive integration, check out the appropriate tutorials on our website. The Dux Store is where you can purchase Dux points for use with the email address finder and also to check your current Dux points balance. Finally, if required, you can log out of your Dux-Soup by using the option at the bottom of the Dux Dash. Happy Duxing!